Hi everyone, this is the video for your Unit 12 post-test. You need to get a piece of paper, something to write with, and title this Unit 12 post-test with your name, and then go ahead and number 1 through 12. Now, feel free to rewind this, rewatch it, pause it, whatever you need to do so that you can do your best on this test. And I just wanted to also let you know that next week, Monday and Tuesday before Thanksgiving, we will be completely live both times because I will be doing testing with you guys, okay? So we're not going to learn a new unit next week because we only have 2 days. We don't have enough time, but you do need to know that we will be live both days, all right? Okay, so if you're ready to take the test, here is number 1. Number 1 is the word create. The student will create a diorama. Number 2 is the word cruel. Many dictators are known for their cruel treatment of others. Number 3, diagram. Our health teacher showed us a diagram of the digestive system. Number 4, diet. Polar bears at the zoo are fed a diet of fish, meat, and berries. Number 5, fluid. To avoid dehydration, you must drink plenty of fluid. Number 6, giant. The 7-foot basketball player was so tall he looked like a giant. Number 7, poet. Our English teacher asked us to write an essay about our favorite poet. Number 8, quiet. Please be quiet in the library so you don't disturb people who are reading. Number 9, react. Soldiers are trained to react quickly in dangerous situations. Number 10, ruin. My mom made me wear boots outside so I wouldn't ruin my new shoes. Number 11, scientist. The forensic scientist evaluated the evidence at the crime scene. And then number 12, triumph. The team is undefeated and likely to triumph over future opponents. Okay, so that's the post test. Once you are done taking this, please take a picture of the test and post it under Unit 12 post test, under classwork and classroom. And then remember, next week we are fully live for Monday and Tuesday. And from here on out for the rest of the semester, we will be live every day since we're remote now. So please, you guys, I would appreciate it if you could log on and check in with me. Usually we won't be on for very long because you guys already know the drill, right? Okay, thank you.